So if I had to describe Cloudinary myself, it's basically just the best way to store and serve images that I've ever seen. In the past, I used to use generic storage services like Amazon S3 to store and serve images, but after switching to Cloudinary, I genuinely cannot believe I ever did this stuff any other way. So here's one example of how Cloudinary has made my life easier. So you probably know that typically images are the heaviest resource your users have to download when they visit your site, right? Usually way more than your JavaScript or CSS. So in the past, I would spend a lot of time tweaking settings and tools like Image Alpha and Image Optim to try and optimize my image files so they weren't as large. With Cloudinary, I can just upload the full resolution file without even really thinking about it, and then by just adding a parameter to the image URL that I get back, when I go to serve it on my site, Cloudinary will automatically optimize that image as best as it can, usually resulting in file sizes that are actually lower than what I was seeing when trying to optimize the images by hand. This is even more useful for like user uploaded images because instead of trying to do some fancy automatic image optimization in a background job on my own server or something, I can just send those images directly to Cloudinary from the browser, request the optimized version back by adding that URL parameter, and bam, I've got an optimized image at a really small file size. So there's an enormous amount of other cool stuff that you can do through the URL-based API. That's really just scratching the surface. But you can do stuff like request images at different sizes, so you can serve smaller images on mobile devices so you're not wasting bandwidth. You can crop images to different dimensions. You can crop images using face detection, so just crop to the faces in an image. You can automatically add watermarks or text overlays or tons of different effects and stuff like that. It's a seriously impressive service. So Cloudinary has an amazing free plan where you can store 300,000 images and videos. Yeah, did I mention you can do all this crazy stuff, not just with images, but also with videos too? You get 10 gigabytes of storage and 20 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth on this free plan. So if you're not already using them, definitely head over to cloudinary.com and check it out. It really is one of my absolute favorite services that I use on my own projects.